Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Roblox error code 286. I found 5 different solutions for this problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. There is one thing we need to do before we start the solutions. Checking if Roblox is up to date. For this, we enter the Google Play Store. Then we write Roblox in the search section. If it says update instead of play here, we click on update. Since my game is up to date, there is no update text here. After the update is finished, we can move on to the first solution. Our first solution is to log out of our Roblox account and then log back in. To log out, we press the 3 lines at the bottom right and click on the bottom log out. This solution will work if it is caused by a momentary error. Now we will log in again. It was our first solution. Now we move on to the second solution. Our second solution is to clear Roblox cache files on the phone. For this, we enter the settings application of our phone. Then we find apps. After we find the apps, we find Roblox among our apps. What we need to do here is to enter the storage section and click on the Clear Data option. Finally, we press Clear Cache. And our cache data was cleared. The part of clearing cache data may vary depending on the phone brand you use. But you can find it with a little searching. That was our second solution. If this solution doesn't work, we will move on to the third solution. Our third solution is to connect to Roblox with VPN and play. This solution will work if the error is caused by the location we are in. There are many VPNs in the Play Store, but I myself use VPN Super. It's simpler and contains fewer ads. First we go to the Play Store. Then we write VPN Super in the search section. Here we enter the application I clicked on and press the part that says Install. After pressing the part that says Install, we are waiting for the installation to finish. After the installation is finished, we click on the application. After closing the ad, we press the part that says Connect. The app chooses the fastest VPN for us. Now we can enter the game and check if the error is fixed or not. If this solution didn't work, we'll move on to the fourth solution. Our fourth solution is to delete and reinstall the game. For this we go to Settings. Next we find Apps and click on it. Then click on Manage Apps. We write Roblox in the search field. Before uninstalling the game, we need to delete the data of the game. For this, we click on Clear Data below. Then we click on Clear All Data. The data has been deleted. Now we can delete the game. After deleting the game, we open the Google Play Store to reinstall it. We write Roblox in the search section. Now we can download Roblox. Our game is loaded. Now we can enter our information and play the game. If you are still getting an error after entering the game, we will move on to our fifth solution. Our fifth solution is to change our DNS address. For this we go to Settings. Then click on Wi-Fi. Then we enter the Wi-Fi network we are connected to. We change the following IP settings to static. Now we can change our DNS address. We set DNS1 to be 8.8.8.8. We also set DNS2 to 8.8.4.4. This was our fifth solution. Now you can check if the error is fixed. We have come to the end of our video. I hope these solutions worked for you and you got rid of the error. If the video worked for you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to get rid of such errors. Take care and see you in the next video.